Hello, everyone. Thank you for checking out this video, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will be sharing how to add finishes on the staircase. But before we start our tutorial, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and leave a comment down below.
Thank you.
In this section view of the staircase, select the stairs, then select Edit Type. Inside the Type properties, go to Run Type, select the three dots on the right side. Then tick the tread, then add the tread thickness. Then tick the riser and add the riser thickness. Then click OK. If we go back to the edit type, let's untick slanted. Then on the riser to tread connection, let's change it to extend tread under riser. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design tips and tutorials. Happy designing, and see you in the next tutorial.